My name is Giulia O, and a few months ago I was able to participate in the GYL Decision-Making Workshop. I had been planning to join one of their workshops for a long time, and I finally managed, and I have to say I do not regret it. It was a wonderful experience. Firstly, it just felt like a very safe and comfortable environment to share, and it was lovely just to listen to different people and then connecting with different people from around the world. The workshop in itself focused a lot on obviously decision making and sort of all the processes and frameworks that come into play when we all take decisions. And I have to say, for me, it was definitely very eye-opening just to realize how different and yet how similar we all are in sort of our decision-making processes. And it was incredibly wonderful just to figure out that there's so many aspects that come into play when we take decisions. A lot of times we just think, oh, it's just your personality and how you tackle on any decision that comes into your life. But in reality, there's so many factors that perhaps affect us subconsciously, even just especially external factors like, your background, your society, if you have pressure from your parents, your family, your peers, sometimes religion can come into play. So it was definitely a very, very enriching experience that I honestly cannot recommend enough. It was wonderful, and I definitely look forward to joining more workshops by GYL. So it was absolutely lovely experience, and they're a wonderful team.